let's get right to it. I'm going to move to my vision board and let's start drawing. In the middle of the piece of paper is write, what do I want? What do I want? And again, I like doing this in a mind map style, memory map, whatever you want to call it. And in the center of that, what do I want? I write down and I list the things that I want in my life. This may be, I want to have a New York Times bestseller. This may be that I want to travel to some location. This may be that I want to have this kind of relationship. This may be that I want to create this kind of business. It may be I want to live in a different neighborhood. Whatever that want or desire is, you want to list those out. Now, what I do, and at one time, and I'm going to use an example, I wanted a bison farm. I thought that this would be a fantastic thing and that I would ranch, with bison. And I imagined lots of acres, hectares, and bison running around. And so in the writing that down, it was great. I was good. I'm like, yeah, that's what I want. And so the next step, after you've written a complete and you've exhausted your list of how you want to, what you want to write another mind map. And in this one, the question you're asking yourself is, how do I feel? This is a little harder. And pick one of those elements that you think you want the most that you've written down. And then what you're going to do is sit quietly, close your eyes, and then imagine what it's like to have a bison ranch, to be working with bison, to have these hands helping you support feeding and maintaining these bison, all the barns and all the effort that it's going to take and all the smells that you can get from that bison farm. Make it real. Make it as real as you can. And then when you come out of that, write down immediately, as quick as you can, how does that make you feel knowing you have a bison ranch and a bison farm? Make it real in your mind. What I found when I went through that exercise and many other exercises, I really didn't want a bison ranch, because what happened is I realized how much effort it is. And is that something that I really want to do? And what's going to happen when those bison get large in terms of the herd? And then I have to start selling them for food, and you have to generate revenue and processing for bison. I didn't like it. And so it really wasn't something I wanted, even though I thought it was. And the key was in the understanding how it really felt to have that thing that I wanted or thought I wanted. So, but the exercise still remains the same. You want to do it in a way that allows you to list all those things that you think you want, and then pick them, and then go through the exercise of how does it feel having that, where you actually truly go into a state of, this is real. I have this, I can feel it, I can smell it, I can taste it in my mind, and then see if that is something you really want, in fact, to move forward with. Those items that you do continue to find that you want, those are the ones you want to go after. Those are the areas you want to focus. This will help you get unstuck in terms of the first step of understanding what it is you want and what it is you want to create in your life, based upon it makes you feel good. If it doesn't make you feel good, you don't really want it. That's important to understand.